If you're over 40 and taking turmeric like most people do, you're probably wasting your money and missing out on benefits that could actually make a difference in how you feel every day. Most adults don't realize that after 40, the way the body responds to foods and nutrients may change compared to earlier decades. The surprising truth is that the timing, preparation, and combination methods that work earlier in life may not feel as effective later on if they don't match your current needs. But when you understand how to work with your changing metabolism, turmeric becomes one of the most practical tools for supporting the way you want to feel as you age. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the standard turmeric advice falls short after 40, and more importantly, you'll have a simple system that actually works with your body's current needs. I'm also going to share one timing trick that most people get backwards, and it makes all the difference in whether turmeric helps or just sits in your cabinet. Let's start with why everything you thought you knew about turmeric needs to be adjusted once you hit 40. Many people notice digestion and nutrient handling can change gradually with age. Some research suggests digestion patterns, including stomach acid levels, may shift over time, which means compounds like curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, have a harder time breaking down and getting absorbed. This is why taking turmeric on an empty stomach, which works fine for younger people, often causes stomach irritation for adults over 40. Your system needs more support now, not less. The second major change is in your liver function. Metabolism and processing of compounds can change with age, which may influence how nutrients are experienced. This actually works in your favor with turmeric if you know how to use it. Instead of needing large doses that overwhelm your system, smaller, more frequent amounts work better because your system has time to properly process and utilize the curcumin. Think of it like watering a plant. Dumping a lot of water at once causes runoff and waste. Steady, smaller amounts get absorbed and actually nourish the roots. Here's the first practical step that changes everything. Take your turmeric with a meal that contains some healthy fat, but make sure that meal isn't your largest of the day. The fat helps with absorption, but a heavy meal slows everything down. A perfect combination is turmeric with a handful of nuts, half an avocado, or a small amount of olive oil. The timing detail most people miss is this. Some people find taking turmeric shortly before your meal, not with it or after it, works better for them. This gives the curcumin a head start on absorption before other nutrients compete for the same pathways. Some individuals feel better spacing supplements and meals rather than taking everything at once. If you're finding value in this approach to health information that's actually designed for your stage of life, consider subscribing. We focus specifically on what works for bodies and lifestyles after 40, not generic advice that ignores how your needs have changed. Now let's talk about the form of turmeric that works best after 40. Fresh turmeric root is actually superior to powder or capsules for mature digestive systems. When you grate fresh turmeric, you're getting compounds that haven't been oxidized or processed out. Plus, the act of grating releases oils that aid in absorption. If fresh isn't available, look for turmeric powder that's been stored in dark containers and has a vibrant orange color. Dull brownish powder has lost much of its potency. For capsules, choose ones that include piperine from black pepper, which can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. Here's something crucial that applies specifically after 40. Your body's inflammatory responses change with age, becoming both more sensitive and more persistent. This means you need consistent, moderate amounts of turmeric rather than occasional high doses. A teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric or half a teaspoon of quality powder daily works better than taking large amounts sporadically. The preparation method makes a huge difference too. Heat actually increases the availability of curcumin, but too much heat destroys it. The sweet spot is gentle warming. Add turmeric to warm milk, blend it into a smoothie with room temperature ingredients, or stir it into soup that's cooling down to eating temperature. One simple method is golden milk before bed. Warm a cup of your preferred milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a small amount of honey or maple syrup. The warm temperature aids absorption, and taking it in the evening supports your body's natural repair processes that happen during sleep. Let's pause for a moment and recap what we've covered so far. After 40, your body processes turmeric differently due to changes in stomach acid and liver function. The solution is taking smaller amounts with healthy fats about 20 minutes before meals, using fresh turmeric when possible, and maintaining daily consistency rather than sporadic high doses. But there's one more element that most people completely overlook, and it has to do with how turmeric interacts with other aspects of your health routine after 40. Here's what I want you to understand about turmeric and medication interactions, because this becomes more relevant after 40 when many people start taking prescription medications. Turmeric can affect how your body processes certain medications, particularly blood thinners and diabetes medications. It's not that turmeric is dangerous, but it's potent enough to influence other treatments. The smart approach is to tell your healthcare provider that you're using turmeric regularly, especially if you take any medications. Most doctors are familiar with turmeric interactions and can advise you on timing or adjustments if needed. This is simply being responsible about your health, not avoiding something beneficial. Now here's the deeper insight I promised you, and this is something most turmeric information completely misses. As we age, the body's natural protective systems may change, which is why many people focus more on antioxidant-rich foods. This is why turmeric becomes more valuable as you age, not because of any miracle properties, but because it helps fill a gap that naturally develops. The key is understanding that turmeric works best as part of a comprehensive approach to supporting your changing body. It's not a standalone solution, but rather one tool in a toolkit that includes adequate sleep, regular movement, stress management, and proper nutrition. When combined with these elements, the benefits of turmeric are amplified. Think of turmeric as supporting your body's maintenance crew. After 40, that crew needs more help to keep everything running smoothly. Turmeric provides some of the tools they need, but they still need the right environment, materials, and time to do their job effectively. The practical implementation of everything we've discussed comes down to creating a simple daily routine. Choose your preferred time, either 20 minutes before breakfast or as part of an evening wind-down with golden milk. Measure out your daily amount and prepare it consistently. Pay attention to how you feel over the course of a few weeks, not just day to day. Keep a simple log if you want to track the effects. Note your energy levels, how you feel when you wake up, and any changes in stiffness or discomfort. This gives you real feedback about whether your turmeric routine is working for your individual body and lifestyle. One final consideration that's particularly important after 40 is the quality and source of your turmeric. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to impurities and additives. Choose organic turmeric when possible, and if you're buying capsules, look for third-party use to systematically evaluate and adjust after testing. Here's your complete system for using turmeric effectively after 40. Start with a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric or an 1/8 teaspoon of quality powder. Take it with a small amount of healthy fat 20 minutes before a meal. Do this daily at the same time. If you tolerate it well, you can gradually increase to a full teaspoon of fresh or 1/2 teaspoon of powder over a few weeks. Pay attention to your body's response and adjust accordingly. Some people feel benefits within days, others need several weeks of consistent use. The goal isn't to feel dramatic changes immediately, but to support your body's natural processes as they adapt to your changing needs. Remember that supplements and natural compounds like turmeric are meant to support, not replace, good fundamental health practices. Always consult with healthcare providers before making significant changes to your health routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. If this approach to health information that's specifically tailored for adults over 40 resonates with you, I'd appreciate it if you'd like this video and share it with someone who might benefit. Consider subscribing for more content that acknowledges where you are in life and provides practical solutions that actually work for your current needs. I'm curious to know where you're watching from and whether you've tried turmeric before. Leave a comment and let me know your experience or any questions you have about implementing this approach. For your next step in supporting your health after 40, check out the video about the morning routine mistakes that drain your energy all day. It covers the timing and sequence of supplements, food, and activities that can make or break how you feel from the moment you wake up. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your supplement routine, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications.